Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the input. Identify whether Sprunki is typed, spoken, or in an image because the method changes. Open Google Translate in a browser or the mobile app and set source to detect language so you don't force errors. Paste the text or use the camera upload for images, making sure OCR is enabled. If it's audio, use voice input. Once done, select the target language and watch the immediate translation area for the first result to appear. Now you refine detection and provide context. If Google Translate suggests alternate languages, try them. Click each to compare outputs. For image OCR, edit the recognized text in the camera output, correct character mistakes like L versus 1 or spacing issues, because small errors break meaning. If single-word translation fails, type or paste a short sentence using Sprunki to give context. That often changes the translation. Make sure to toggle formal versus informal if language options appear. Finish by verifying and troubleshooting the result. You should back-translate the chosen output into the detected source to check consistency. If it flips to nonsense, try a different target language or phrasing. For proper nouns or slang like Sprunki, enter phonetic spellings or synonyms and inspect transliteration suggestions. If translations remain ambiguous, use another engine or reach out to a native speaker for confirmation. One key tip: clear OCR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.